Hello, this is George Senda, the original, the one, the only, the authentic, the real, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes or imposters. And today is Pearl Harbor Day as we remember those who gave their lives, both military and civilian, in a treacherous attack. And remember that the Arizona Memorial, USS Arizona, was partly paid for by a donation and drive by Elvis. And we have a liberal congresswoman who wants to get rid of the Arizona Memorial. The hell with that. All right, today on Pearl Harbor Day, the market is not bullish. Definitely not bullish. The market is down big time, so it is a bear market. But bear or bull, it's always, we gotta fix his leg here. It's always time for Burgh unboxing. All right, here we go. Another item. This comes from Edison, New Jersey, and we'll open it up. And here is the item. We have here waterproof case for the Polaroid Cube. Always try to improve the channel. Have to do it out of my pocket since so few of my subscribers, except for Fluffy, the smartest and richest cat in Finland, help out, and the Germans. And I'm going to pick up something today and then pick up something on the 30th, which will help my computing muchly. I haven't decided which to put it in yet. When I restore the 2010 Mac, I can put one of them in the 2009 as soon as I have the money for all the other parts. Let's see, this thing doesn't... They make these so it's really hard to take this stuff out. You can't just push it up. All right. After 30 minutes of struggle, with all this cardboard in here, all right. It's got a little, I love how they don't print anything on there other than the picture of instructions. And then they put it in this cheesy plastic. And anyway, let's see, how the hell do you open this? Ah. Maybe. Maybe not. Open. Well, I slid it to open. It don't want to open. Which is really stupid. I am pushing as hard as I can. This is the dumbest setup I've ever seen. This thing will not open. God. Try it with a scissor. I don't know what else to do. Boy, this is dumb. All that does is push on a button. It doesn't do anything. But when you slide this forward, it says open. And this is on hinges. Wait a minute. There we go. Boy, trying to do it the other way. All right, that's what the cube will fit into. Little cover, so that's it. Boy, it took me, what, 5 minutes to figure out how the hell to open it. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool out there, and stay safe. And remember Pearl Harbor. And that's not putting the wrong things on. Oh my God. I have not had my coffee yet. I am not awake. All right, there you go. No comedy there. All right, I'll be back in a minute with another exciting Burgh unboxing video. Bye-bye for now.